Hello all of you, welcome to my channel Basaroj Village channel at Dharwad, Karnataka. So at the time of lockdown there is only freight corridor. I am at Karkop railway station nearby Dharwad, just 5 km from the Dharwad. Only freight couriers are running here, and electrification already almost all done. 99% electrification has been done, and doubling also done. And also I video uploading this video for a long time because due to the lockdown. Now also I am in lockdown, home quarantine, you may say it. This is Mugud old railway station. It is built in British era, so now it is abandoned actually. Abandoned, and the new one was already constructed there. Here it is Mugud old railway station. When I was kid, that time only it is Bangalore Mail and Kittur Express. Some 3 to 4 trains are running the whole day. Here it is Mugud abandoned one. It is Mugud railway station. So this is what the station master room and ticket counter, everything. Then this is a platform, old platform. Now it is totally abandoned. So I have been here. Here it is old station master room and everything, quarters, some quarters are there. Then there is a water and everything. Now it is latest. So new line has been constructed and established, broad gauge line here. So in 93 it was broad gauge has been commissioned here. So this is now it is again electrified, and all the doubling has been completed because there's more traffic here in this side. That is traffic means goods freight are coming from Goa, iron ore, everything. So all are the, see now you see all latest update. The electrification has been maximum complete. More than 99% has been completed. So this is what developed. I am now 59, 60 years plus, 60 plus years. So I had seen so many old trains here, steam engine. I am from steam engine era. So this is old station when steam engine are running here. Some local trains and Bangalore Mail that time. Somebody has been know who are from 70s. They can know that Bangalore Mail and Kittur Express, which are famous from this side. Now Kittur Express itself is converted into Chennamba Express. Here is electrification stop and overhead. That heavy gauge and latest rail tracks had been placed, and is electrification. Maximum has been completed. So now it is Dharwad and Hubli city are very well developed due to this connectivity and transportation, and they are all latest one. So I feel because this old station, it means I was one kid. We are going to Mumbai, or now it is Mumbai. Actually that time it was Bombay. So Bangalore Mail meter is running between Bangalore and Pune. Then onwards it was up to Miraj. Now is a totally direct train from Mumbai to Bangalore, Dharwad, Hubli, everything. So good to see development here. Very good. And maximum advanced technology are adapted here. Next generation will be advanced, technified, or technologically very sound. And here it is Mugud new railway station, updated railway station with for broad gauge with 4 tracks here, 2 for platform number 1 and 2, and 2 for bypassing. Initially it was there is only one line, single line meter gauge when I was kid. Now it is totally updated. Here is a Mugud railway station with electrified, and doubling has been completed. 70% doubling has been completed. Only electrification, that inspection is awaited. So this is the Mugud railway station. So you can imagine, so what is the development, latest development between Dharwad Hubli. So actually it is an industrial corridor now. Initially it was only for education purpose. Nowadays it is almost all everything. All the aspect has been established. One Tata company has been here running. Tata Hitachi. Then another one, Tata Marco Polo also is manufacturing hub is there. Automobile. So feel good of this development, latest development. Because when I was kid, I had not imagined that once in a while Dharwad Hubli may be developing in this stage. Or I have not expected this much of technology had been advancing in Dharwad. So we feel very good because we are initially running by meter gauge trains at a single line. Now it is 4 line. Can imagine what is the development. Very good development here. So many trains are running here. Due to the lockdown, there is no passenger trains. Only 5 trains are running here between Dharwad Hubli. Because in Hubli also having the bypass from Amargol to Hebsur directly, there is no congestion traffic in the Hubli station. So it is totally different. This is what development of Dharwad Hubli. So I am in Mugud, the new railway station, where it is overhead maintenance van is standing on the railway station platform number 1. So this is what big station, which is actually it is only for the loop station. For crossing purpose, it had been built by British era. That time only steam engine are running, and very few trains are running. Due to the traffic, they are stoppage for crossing purpose and overtaking, everything like that. So this is what Mugud railway station. In olden day, it is very small station. Now it is well developed, and everything has been completed. Sorry for sorry viewers, because I have some breathing problem because I am 60 plus. So due to some disturbance of while speech or for conversation or from documenting, so please excuse me. Sorry. So I am waiting for the goods train to come here. Just the signal has been given, green signal. Maybe it won't stop here. Yeah, it is come. Yeah, the goods train was coming on track 2 because signal man is there. Yeah, nice. Yeah, goods train is arriving. Because nowadays we won't see any passenger train, only we are satisfied with the goods train. They are looking very good because they are working. They are a COVID-19 warrior. They are also called as COVID-19 warriors. There it is. There is WDG4 12114. A dual one. Yeah. Here it is a very sharp curve, approximately 55 to 60 degree. Sharp curve is there. All is coal. From Vasco Port or Madgaon Port. Maybe transporting to the Raichur thermal plant or some Jindal iron factory, like that. sharp, very up to 55 to 60 degree maybe approximately, but very sharp. Hi friends, today I am at Kharkov railway station, Dharwad. It is only for bypassing or a loop station actually it is called. It is also old one from British era. Now it is latest upgradation, and all the maintenance work which are here, all the employer and the staff are here, and contractor also here. They are residing here. Like track doubling and electrification works, all the contractor here, even sleeper loader also here. They are all residing here. This is the Kharkov railway station. Here also having the 2 platform and 2 bypass one. Actually this one also from British era. Actually, initial my video which shows about the Mugud railway station. After that, it is Kharkov railway station. Here it is. And here also cabin old, and steams are running here. That time, here it is. Old cabin man, and it is that time it is very small railway station. It is only one passenger. Up and down was stoppage here, which is running between Harihar and Hubli Miraj and Dharwad, and that is the old one. Meter gauge. Here it is. Here it is Kharkov. Yeah. I feel very happy and very good to see that so much development in this area. So here it is. So nowadays only goods trains are running between this area. There is no passenger trains, only Shramik trains are running here. Track maintenance and electrification work, all the employers residing here. Yeah. So here is the old Kharkov railway station. It is made for meter gauge time, at the time of meter gauge, when meter gauge was running here. Now this one is for broad gauge purpose. Latest upgraded one. Some empty rakes are standing here. Let us see for what purpose. See, here one is the empty rack is platform number 1. Yeah. It is passenger train, Hubli Vijapur Express, or passenger train it is. Running between Hubli Miraj and Hubli Vijapur. Because there is congestion in Hubli railway station, they are standing because of there is no running. Yes, it is standing here. Here it is. I think goods train may be passing here. Let me see. There are no any passenger train. Only goods trains are running, or freight couriers. See, there is a green signal. Might be some goods train passing through it. And also I talked with the staff, and they told me that only one passenger train has been passed here from morning towards Rajasthan. Maybe it is Bangalore, Jaipur, maybe. So only here goods trains are running between Londa, Hubli, Miraj. So here all the upgradation of the electrification and track doubling, and all the latest equipments are here residing on the yard side. Actually it is an yard, for now it is converted into yard, old railway station of Kyarkoppa, where all the sleeper and electrification equipment and employee and contractor all are residing here. So when I was kid, when we are traveling here, so small train it is, small station it is, Kyarkoppa. So here is development, developed one, upgraded one, you may say anything. Okay. Olden day there was no foot over bridge. Nowadays every station having the foot over bridge. Here comes goods train from Hubli. WDG4 12083 dual. All are granite which are going to Madgaon or Harbour. They are coming from Ilkal, then Kopla, from the Gangavati, that side. They are famous for the granites. Nowadays they are passing quickly, very quickly, because there is no crossing for the passenger trains and express trains. They are the king of this railway route now. All the passenger trains nowadays, they are the king, because they are the COVID-19 warrior, because at the time of lockdown still they are working day and night 24/7. So we proud to say that they are warrior. COVID-19 warrior. Everything was closed, everything. Now just after lockdown 3, some relaxation, but totally almost all 90% was closed, because there is no any transportation. Then there is no meaning of city. City cannot survive without transportation. That is the example now, because I had seen this is what the lockdown when I was kid. That emergency has been implemented in India, and also along with the railway strike for 1 month. But that time also this much of restrictions was not applied. Nominal, what do you say, that stoppage. Some transportation was stopped, but now it is totally blocked. And also it is necessary, because it is virus cannot be seen by naked eyes, because ordinary person cannot understand that what is the effect of a virus. So this is what development. Everything was completed. Only inspection is remaining. I think inspection has to be done, or electrification has to be commissioned. Broad gauge and doubling already has been commissioned. So this is what the development. I feel very proud, and also thanks to Indian Railway, they are providing good service and excellent service and cheaper service one, very cheaper one compared to other transportation. And please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question regarding this, can comment in comment section, and please share it, and please subscribe to my channel. It will motivate to me to more and more research on this, and give every day new video. Thank you. Sorry for my breathing problem. So yesterday also I mentioned in last video also. So Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.